In this video, we'll show you how to change the power mirror switch on your Ford Fusion. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the door. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 7mm socket, unscrew the power window switch plastic trim holding screw. Remove the screw with magnetic extender. Using a car trim removal tool, lift the power window controls plastic trim. Once the trim has been removed, start by disconnecting the connectors from the master power window switch and side mirror controls by pressing the locking tabs. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, squeeze the clips holding the power mirror switch. Then remove it. You can order the power mirror switch used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new power mirror switch. Insert the switch into its slot. Reconnect the connectors of the electric window and side mirror controls. Then clip the assembly back on. Retighten the retaining screw. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.